Hello, and welcome to today's educational video with BSG Universal. Our topic today is soil health, what it is, why it matters, and how the SRT plan can restore and enhance it for farms, golf courses, and more. Soil health is the foundation of productive farming. Healthy soil is alive. It's rich with nutrients, beneficial microbes, strong structure, good pH, and the ability to hold water. All of these factors work together to grow stronger plants and bigger harvests. But when soil becomes stressed, from salt buildup, nutrient or pH imbalance, or poor drainage, it can't support crops the way it should. Plants weaken, yields shrink, and profitability suffers. These same challenges also appear on golf courses, sports fields, and commercial landscapes, where turf struggles to stay green and healthy, resulting in unaesthetic views. That's where the SRT plan makes the difference. Our soil rejuvenation technology starts with Salt Fighter, which breaks apart harmful sodium chloride that blocks roots from absorbing water and nutrients. Next, our Master Humic Potassium lowers soil pH, improves soil structure, and energizes microbial life. This creates the perfect conditions for roots to expand and thrive. The result is healthier plants that absorb more nutrients, retain more water, and withstand stress. On the farm, that means stronger harvests and higher profits. On golf courses and landscapes, it means greener, healthier, and more durable turf that lasts season after season while staying luscious. Whether it's agriculture, turf management, or commercial landscapes, the SRT plan revitalizes soils and protects long-term productivity. Soil health is the key to lasting success. And with the SRT plan, restoring it has never been easier. Thank you for watching. Visit srtplan.com to learn more or place an order today.